Hey Mama Bears, Baby Avo and I are super excited to be a part of the biggest launch by our favorite brand Dabble. Say hello to my first Shape Explorer stamp kit, which makes learning and art super fun. And here's why we totally recommend this for your little ones too.